Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. So today dami diri sa Purok Hall ka nagplay ang akong anak kunya. Inguli na yung mga friends. So that's our kubo house and basketball court. And it's very hot today. So ngayon ko lang to i-post. Ngayon lang ako na busy kahapon. So I saw flowers and I took a picture and then I make mango. Mango, I'm sorry. Avocado. Yeah, I put condensed milk para matamis, di ba? And then avocado. Malaki itong avocado yung kalahati na sa ref. And then I put ice. And then tada, that's it. So 5 o'clock we nagplan mi og walking for about 20 minutes. Going to Seawalk Esperanza. And lakad-lakad kami with my baby. And si Ate Nika ang nagpicture sa amin. Kami nagvideo sa amin. Tanawadagan kasi siya puniton si Crisio. Tanawam siya kung sala yung puniton. Oh, we're almost to Seawalk Esperanza. Lakad-lakad para exercise naman. 20 minutes going to Seawalk and then 20 minutes going back home. Daming bunga. And that's the view. Look at the beautiful sunset. Low tide ngayon. Ito talaga yung pinuntahan namin dito para mag-watch ng sunset. Ayan.